And we were
Cool.
talking about, like the possibility because they're bringing back soil samples from Mars, right?
Mhm.
And I'm like, what if they find tardigrades in that soil? And is that something that you've, sometimes, comes across your own mind? Like, what if we do find tardigrades in space?
Well, I guess if we found this absolutely. So I think about this all the time, and people are often asking me about this because we know tardigrades can survive in space. They're the only animal that survived the open vacuum of space. So the open vacuum of space has several issues for humans and most other life. It's very very cold, or very very hot. Depending on where you are. If you're away from the sun, it's very cold. If the sun is shining directly at you, it can get very hot. Um, there's a lot of solar radiation. There's a lot of cosmic radiation, which will destroy the genome of most animals and kill them instantly, or not, maybe not instantly, but they're going to be dead soon. There's also no oxygen. So there's all these issues that most animals just have no chance of surviving. Tardigrades can survive. And so the idea is like, okay, they can survive in space. So what does that mean in terms of, are they from space maybe? Well, we know for sure they're from planet Earth, and we know for sure they're from planet Earth because we know they're related to animals on planet Earth. So they're like very closely related to arthropods, in fact. So we actually know like their relationship to other animals. So an animal that or an organism that had come to Earth from another planet wouldn't have any relationship to animals that evolved on Earth. So if we did find tardigrades on Mars, that would suggest that they somehow got there from Earth, right? And so possible. I mean, we know our planet has been hit by asteroids. We know that even back when the big bolide that killed the dinosaurs, or at least most of the dinosaurs, we know birds are dinosaurs, right? And they're still here, but killed most of the dinosaurs. Um, uh, that would have shot much of our planet up into space, or at least chunks of our planet up into space. And could they have traveled to Mars? We know tardigrades are around. Could they have traveled to Mars? Who knows? So it'd be cool to find tardigrades on Mars. But beyond that, it's even kind of interesting to think about the environment of Mars. Pretty inhospitable. But could there be life that's something like a tardigrade that can survive in inhospitable places, right? Maybe it even looks like a tardigrade, but it's not. It's just like independently evolved. So yeah, I do think about that a lot.
Yeah, I bet. Definitely. It's something that's been on my mind for, well, pretty much since especially when they said that they were bringing back soil samples from Mars. I mean, this is the
Yeah.
first time we bring back soil from a different planet.